So today I have another video. So what I want to share or to present is how to clone a GitHub repo, or what you're calling it repositories. So what is needed in this case, for example, on my side I use what we call Git bash. So what I've done, you just need to go to our best web browser. You just search for Git bash. For example, I can just come here and search Git bash. When I search for Git bash, what I'm supposed to get options to download. Like, you just need to click on Git, then select for Windows, then click here to download. It should start automatically in that case. Then from there you can install. And what I've done, I just pinned this on my variable applications. You can see Git bash here. So in this case, so from here, what else is needed in order for you is just to go to your folder where we're calling it the desktop, how the apps are arranged. So you go to OneDrive. So under OneDrive, I just need to come to this part. What I'll do under this OneDrive, I'll create a folder in this case. So I create a new folder. I call it Git repo. You can give it any name in this case. So you note this is the folder where I'll be storing all the resources that I will be cloning from my Git repositories. So from there, the next step is to open your Git bash. In this case, this is what I use to clone. It is an easy, something that should take like 3 minutes or 2. So I'm opening the Git bash. So let me hope this will open within a shortest time possible. Yep, we have the Git bash here. So these are the queries that are needed in order for you to clone the Git repo in this case. So what is needed now is first to specify a folder where you are going to store all the resources you are going to clone from your GitHub in this case. So I've already created a folder in my OneDrive. You have seen it. I've called it Git repo. So what I need to write here is to write just cd, then you give it a space. What you need to do is to write quotation marks, and then you go back to where you have that folder. So you see Git repo. So what I need to do is to copy the path of this Git repo. So you just come here, you copy the path, you go back to a Git bash in this case. So make sure when you are pasting here, you don't leave a space in between the quotation marks and what you are pasting. So this is the folder where I want to store everything. I close the quotation marks, then I click enter. So this is the first step. You have already identified the folder where you're going to store the resources. The next thing is now to clone. You just try to type git clone, then quotation marks again. Now for this one, don't make sure you don't leave that space in between. So you go back to your GitHub. In this case, this is my GitHub account. So I have various folders. So something else to note is that you cannot clone a private repo. So you need to have, for example, to clone what you're calling it a public repo. So I'll be cloning the data science HTML books under my keys. So I'll be opening this repo. What I do, just open this repo. Should be opening within the shortest time possible. Just opening, then you just click to where we have the code function. Make sure it is HTTPS, and then you copy this. You copy the link to this repo. You go back to a Git bash, in this case command, then you paste it here. I need to paste it as the way it is, then I have to close with quotation marks, and then I click enter. So we just give it a few seconds to clone. You see what is cloning the data science of the ML books until this is done 100%. We are at 60%. So you just give it a few seconds. We are almost done. We are done in this case. To make sure that everything is located in the GitHub, what we're calling it, what we're calling it now, the folder that we created. For example, we can go back to folder. So what you're able to see is that you're able to see we have already cloned, because I went to OneDrive and then I created a folder Git repo. I want to see the content inside there. You can see data science and ML book. So I've already cloned all the resources to this folder. So, and it is simple like that. Maybe something else is, you can just type as, for example, and it is done. It's just simple like that, few minutes. So make sure to like my video, also to give me a subscription, and then also to comment something like that. Bye.